Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsft Edge on BLACKVIEW Tab 16. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search and now click install. And now click open. Now you can click skip introduction and here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can make your Microsft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsft Edge is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.